We have planned thousands of full arch cases here at Chorus 3D, and over the last year, one request kept coming back. Do you do bar-supported bridges, or taco bridges as they're known in the market? One of the things at Chorus 3D we pride ourselves on is our desire to deliver solutions that genuinely make a difference to our customers. So when the demand for bar-supported full arch bridges increased, we took it really seriously. And never a company to rest on our laurels, we invested the time and the effort into the research and testing of what I'm delighted to introduce you to, which is our Q-Bar. This is Chorus 3D's own high-precision milled titanium bar solution. It's fully designed and fully milled in-house, and it's the result of many months of research and development. And we're delighted with the result. Having full in-house design and manufacture gives us complete control over every aspect of your case. So what does that mean for you? Well, that means greater accuracy, more predictable outcomes, and an end product that not only fits exceptionally well, but looks exceptional too. So if you're looking for a lab that truly understands full arch restoration and is properly set up to deliver an end-to-end consistent result, then we would love to work with you. So visit chorus3d.com/Q-Bar to find out more.